Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check for and install any updates on your Windows 11 computer. So every once in a while, you want to go ahead and just check this to see if you can install something. So let's go to the Windows Start button, and then go to Settings. Then scroll on down to where it says Windows Update. And it looks like I have an update. Updates available to install. Last check today at 11:12 a.m. and it looks like it's 11:39 a.m. So every once in a while, it will go ahead and check to see if there's an update, and then we can come to it and install it right here. And we can pause the updates if we really want. It says get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Be among the first to get the latest non-security updates, fixes, and improvements as they roll out. So we can check mark that. Then we go to the update history. And then we had advanced options right here. Or we can get in touch with the Windows Insider program. Get preview builds of Windows to share feedback on new updates and features. So at any point in time, you can just go to install all, and you'll be able to install your updates. And it might take some time, and your computer might restart. Now, you can download updates over metered connections on here, get me up to date. Restart as soon as possible. Sometimes I just leave this off because I'm going to be working today, and I don't want my computer to restart. So these are my active hours. My computer won't restart within these times. So my computer is probably just waiting to go ahead and update that when I'm not working on stuff during the day or between these active hours. Then we have additional updates right here. We can look at download and install. Maybe it could be driver updates specifically, but yeah, just come in this section and look for optional updates. Delivery optimization for bandwidth limits. Recovery. Let's go to this and look at this. We can reset the computer here. Advanced setup. So if we are having issues where we need to just completely wipe everything from our computer and reinstall Windows, we have the option right here. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.